In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print double-sided cards when printing with Canva. If you've designed a card in Canva and want it to print correctly on both sides, this walkthrough will take you from your design to a polished, double-sided print without the guesswork. Start by making sure your design has 2 pages. Page 1 should be the front of your card and page 2 should be the back. Keeping the front on page 1 and the back on page 2 helps your printer understand how to align each side. As you lay out your back design, think about how it will read when flipped, especially if you are using landscape orientation, so the content lines up visually with the front. When you are ready to export, click Share, then Download. For the file type, choose PDF Print. This format is designed for high-quality output and preserves crisp text and graphics far better than a standard image file. If you have access to Canva Pro, you can optionally select CMY key for better color accuracy. CMY key is the color space used by most printers, and it helps your printed colors more closely match what you see on screen. Once your PDF has downloaded, open it and choose Print. In the Printer dialog box, look for the setting that controls double-sided printing. Depending on your printer, it may be labeled Print on both sides, two-sided, or duplex printing. Turn that on so your printer automatically handles both sides of the paper. Next, select the correct flip option. Choose Flip on long edge for standard card orientations. Long edge flipping turns the page like a book, which keeps the backside upright relative to the front in most portrait and landscape layouts. If your preview shows the backside appearing upside down, that typically means the flip edge is set incorrectly. Switching between long edge and short edge changes the direction of the flip. Long edge is the default for most cards because it keeps the orientation consistent when the card is folded or turned. Before you confirm, take a moment to review the print preview panes in your dialog. You are looking to confirm that page 1 is the front, page 2 is the back, and the flip setting keeps both sides aligned in the same orientation. When everything looks right, go ahead and print. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.